just scrape. Look what I got in this box. Yeah. Which headlight helps? I'll show you what I chose this ones because I thought they were different, you know. I'm gonna switch that side first because when they're real shiny, shine together. Apparently I gotta take this bumper off just to get to the headlights to remove it. I think I gotta take, it looks like 10 millimeter. No, they're probably smaller. That was a pain to get off, bro. I mean, it wasn't like so hard, but it was so hard, if you know what I mean. I don't think you do. Oh, look at that shit, it's open. Right, I'm gonna take the headlight off for the first time. Let's go. Ooh, ooh. 1, 2. Oh shit. Come on. It's not getting. Oh, you know what? I might have to unplug the wires. I got the headlights both off, and I'm about to put the new ones in. Ignore that shit. That's a different video. All right, so here's the headlights on the car. I think they look pretty decent. You know, they look pretty sick, and I got the smoked side lights, the LED lights on there too. Ooh, I'm about to come! I got the LED strip right here, which I really like. I got it smoked so it fit the black aesthetic here. Little AB. Let me lower it. Yeah, that's how it looks like at night. Nah. Yeah. Oh shit, you just got blinded, didn't you? Here's the other side. I kind of dig them. Now that the video's over, you guys should definitely check out my other videos because that's crazy, bro. You should also subscribe. You know that little button that's free to press and like it just wants to give you a little smooch? Yeah, you should definitely press that, you know, with the red shit, you know? Just press it. Please. 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 Yeah, I'm not tripping. Here we go. Goodbye, kiss.